If you are a future trader, you already know the drill. Most prop firms love to market their cheap evaluations and massive payouts. But when you read the fine print and you realize you're walking through a minefield of intraday trailing drawdowns, consistency rules that move the goalposts, and payout caps that keep your money hostage. Well, welcome Lucid Trading. They've done a lot of things right. However, today we're going to do a complete review, show the good, the bad, along with the hidden rule you most certainly want to pay attention to. Now, one of the first things that traders have been asking for quite a long time is, can we get zero reoccurring monthly fees? We'll look at Lucid, regardless if we're looking at the pro account. Once you pay the evaluation fee, use code Mike, you get the best deal. It's only a one-time fee. There is no reoccurring fee. That is also true for the Flex account and the Lucid direct accounts. Now, the direct accounts, basically you skip the evaluation and you start working on earning a payout by reaching a specific target amount. Now, when we look at the Lucid account real quick, and we look at the Lucid Pro account, a lot of traders like this account. And for one simple reason, if you look right down here, we can pass it in as little as 1 day. So if speed is your main objective, well, the Lucid Pro account will probably appeal to you. However, one thing to note, in all these account sizes, there is what is called a daily loss limit. For the 50K account, the most a trader is allowed to lose in a single day is going to be $1,200. Now, the total drawdown that we get with this account would be $2,000 with a $3,000 profit target. That is pretty standard across the board with prop firms in the 50K account sizes. Now, when we look down, what is the size of contracts we can trade? We can trade 4 minis or 4 micros. Now, let's look at these at face value. These rules compared to the Lucid Flex account. Lucid Flex account is a little bit cheaper. Again, one-time payment. Profit target, $3,000. Daily loss limit is going to be $2,000. Drawdown type, EOD across all of Lucid's accounts, and there is 0 daily loss limit. So if you hate that pesky daily loss limit, the Lucid Flex account may be worth taking a look at. We can trade this same size in the 50K account, 4 minis or 40 micros. However, they have introduced a consistency rule in the evaluation phase only. So in the Lucid Flex account, we're not going to be able to pass in 1 day. Instead, it's going to take you a minimum of 2 days. But something that may be very appealing to you is, look right down here. There is 0 activation fee and no consistency once we are funded. So only in the evaluation, we have a consistency rule. And you might be saying, Mike, 50% consistency, that's going to be almost impossible to pass it in as little as 2 days. Well, if we come right up here and we actually go to the FAQ, and we go to the Lucid Flex account under consistency percentage, that Lucid actually gives us a little bit of a buffer. Now, the true consistency of 50% would be $1,500 since we have a $3,000 profit target. So half of that is $1,500. Now, Lucid says, all right, you can go a little bit over it. We're going to give you a little bit of a cushion where a trader can make $1,560 and still be considered within that 50% consistency rule, even though the trader would technically be over 50% consistency. So I do give my hats off for Lucid. I do like it that they don't hold it right to the very, very little penny in terms of the 50% consistency rule. Now, where these accounts are really going to differ between the Pro and the Flex account, other than being able to pass in 1 day versus 2 days, which for most traders, that's not going to be a big thing. However, the big difference really comes in when we go back and we look at the FAQ real quick. I'm going to back out. Let's look at the Pro account. And the thing that traders care about the most is going to be the payout policy. What is the payout policy? We can see that traders get to keep 90%. Lucid gets to keep 10%. So that's a very favorable profit split with the trader. We come down here and we can see minimum profit goal. So you must earn at least a minimum goal between payout cycles to earn a payout. So in the $50,000 account size, minimum goal is going to be $500. This is going to really deal with in between, after payout number 1 going into payout number 2. Now there is a consistency rule. Now in the Flex account, we talked about there is 0 consistency rule once you are funded. So you want to go ahead and give this a little bit of a toss up and let me know in the comment section down below. Would you rather have a consistency rule right over here in the evaluation phase with the Lucid Flex account and 0 consistency rule once you're funded? Or would you rather have it in the Pro account where there's 0 consistency in the evaluation, but Once we go over here into the funded stage, we have a 40% consistency rule. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Now, there is going to be a buffer balance. So with a $50,000 account size, it's going to be the drawdown plus $100. So we cannot request a payout until our account is over $52,100. So basically $2,100 of profit. So you're probably asking yourself, Mike, well, how often can we get a payout? Is it every day? Well, we know that answer is false because right here, there's a 40% consistency rule. So there's no way we can get daily payouts. And even for that matter, we can't get 2-day payouts. A lot of prop firms have 5-day payouts. Well, luckily, I was able to save an email from Lucid Trading back when they got rid of Lucid Black. It said, RIP Lucid Black, hello, upgraded Lucid Pro account. Now, before in the Pro account, we had to trade 5 days in between payout cycles. But then as we can see right here, we're eligible to get payouts every 3 days. So even though it doesn't say it explicitly right here on the FAQ, that is one of the hidden rules that traders must know so that traders know when they're going to be eligible for a payout. Now, minimum and maximum. Now, in order to request a payout, we got to take out, you have to request a minimum of $500. Now, the maximum we can take out on payout number 1, $2,000. Maximum on payout number 2 and beyond, $2,500. So if we go back real quick and we look at what the buffer is, you have to have at least $2,100 of profit. Well, now you have to add another $500. So the soonest a trader would be able to request a payout would be when they make $2,600 of profit. Now, when we compare that over here with the Lucid Flex account, because as we said, there's going to be 0 consistency rule, we'll back out here. We'll go right here to the Lucid Flex account. And again, we'll go to the Lucid payouts. And once again, we can see that the trader gets to keep 90%. Lucid gets to keep 10%. So I love that about Lucid Trading, and their accounts are very affordable. Now we come down here and we look, this is going to be drastically different. Notice we have to have 5 separate trading days. So in the Pro account, we can pass the account sooner in 1 day versus 2. We can get a payout in as little as 3 days, where in the Lucid Flex account, we're going to have to wait at minimum 5 trading days. Now to qualify for a payout, we have to have 5 days where we have at least $150 of profit on each one of those days. However, at that point, we would not be able to request a payout for one simple rule. If we simply go 5 times 150, that would give us $750. Now, keep that number in the back of your mind, because as we scroll down, there's a minimum threshold of $500, which is the minimum we can request out. So you're like, all right, $750, I can take the payout. Not so quick. Look right down here, $50,000 account size. We can take 50% of the profit up to $2,000. So the max we can take out is $2,000. Well, if we look at that scenario in scenario number 1, if we made $150, well, if we simply divide that by 50%, that would only be $375. So in order to be able to request your first payout, you have to have at least a minimum of $1,000 of profit. However, one thing to keep in mind, there is a difference. Look at the 50K account in the Flex account with the current sale, $98. The Lucid Pro account is $129. Now, let me know in the comment section down below, which of these accounts do you guys like best, the Lucid Pro or the Lucid Flex account? And let's jump into another hard rule that Lucid has, and this is going to be applied to all their accounts. We want to go right back over here to the FAQ, and we want to go down here where it says rules and guidelines. And I would highly suggest every trader read the rules before trading with any prop firm. Now, I do think that Lucid has a very, very generous inactivity rule, especially since they're going to be on the hook for the data, since there's only a one-time payment. The trader has to either net profit or loss $1 within 30 calendar days. So if you cannot meet that threshold, simply you are not going to be a trader, in my personal opinion. We look right here at allowed trading times, and this is something that trips traders up quite a bit as well. All positions must be closed by 4:45. Now, with each prop firm out there, they vary in terms of when we got to exit a trade. Take Profit Trader, we got to be out by 4:59. Same thing with Lucid. With my fund and futures, I have to be out of my trades by 4:10. And with Lucid, I have to be out by 4:45. Now, what I do like, what they did say though, if you do hold a trade past this time, it does not result in a failed account. So I guess they're just going to go ahead and liquidate the trade for you. But still, I think it's good practice, just in case they change that third line real quick and they change it up. We want to make sure that we are within the guidelines, because the last thing we want to do is see a rule change and say, well, you didn't fail me before. Well, let's just go ahead and adhere to the rules and make sure that we're out by 4:45. Now, if we go over and we look at profitformike.com, let's see on pricing, how does Lucid actually stack up? I went with a $50,000 account size, profit split 90%. Tradeify beats them out at $87. Lucid right now with the current sale, the Flex account. So Lucid is the second cheapest 50K account with a 90-10 profit split all in. And if you guys are ready to get started with Lucid trading and you want to learn how to set up Lucid trading so you can trade it on the TradingView platform, then you want to make sure to watch this next video right here.